Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would share the testing job opportunities with you. Sorry, won't be able to turn on the video, and there you might hear some background noise because I'm in a remote area with limited internet connectivity. So let me share the job opportunities quickly with you. So 47 billion is a hiring for a QA engineer, pressure to 1 year for the Indore-based location. They are looking for motivated candidates have basic understanding of manual testing concepts, knowledge of STLC, SDLC. This is for the freshers. And here is the email address you can apply. This is for the fresher to 1 year of experience. Then Vesi ERP is looking for QA executive to join the team, and experience required is 2 to 4 years. Location is Ahmedabad. Notice period is 15 days to immediate joiners. This is a link wherein you can apply. We'll be trying to put all the links in the first comment of the video today. Then there is a requirement for automation engineers at LTM company, and the notice period is immediate to 30 days. Skill set required is Selenium, Java, REST assured, minimum 5 years is required. Location is Pan India. So this is a WhatsApp number wherein you can share your details as well. They have provided this WhatsApp number along with the total experience, skill set, and current location. Then there's a requirement for automation tester again, and this is with respect to 5 to 8 plus years of experience. And there is a link wherein you can apply. This with respect to a location Chennai, and they are looking for experienced candidates. The company name is Wizard. Dashlog is also hiring for software testers, QA testers with 1 plus years of experience, and you can share your CV at this particular email address. Then there's a requirement for manual QA engineer, and this is for the on-site opportunity, Chandigarh, and experience required is 2 to 3 years. So you can apply. This is for the manual QA engineer, and here is a link wherein you can apply. Plus, you get the email address also. Then there's a requirement for freshers opportunity, and the Quadrant Technologies is hiring fresh graduates for the tech roles. The location is also provided, Warangal, Telangana, and here is a link for the application. Along with that, there is a requirement for a software test engineer QA. This is with respect to Pune-based location. Experience required is 3 to 6 years, and it's a banking-based domain. Anybody should have banking-based experience. Then there's a requirement for senior estate in Pune, and the location is Pune. It's an on-site job opportunity with 5 days per week. Here is the email address for the same. Then there's a requirement for automation test engineer, and this with respect to testing experts company. So they are hiring for the QA. It would be work from office for the location of Hyderabad. You can apply via referral as well. And this is work from office. Location is Hyderabad. 4 to 7 years of experience is required. So you can apply for this position. Then there are multiple other opportunities. So let me share those details as well with you. So first job opportunity is with respect to Hyperlink Info System. So let me share those details. So this company is hiring QA testers. Along with QA testers from the manual, they are also hiring HR recruiter, project manager, AIML. So you can share your CV to this email address itself. Then there's a requirement for this company for the previous locations, and the positions are team lead QC, mobile app tester, tester, and manual tester. Minimum 2 to 6 years of experience is required with great communication skills. So these are few of the job opportunities wherein you can apply to things. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more.